Alright, boys and girls, we are back for the long awaited part two. Goddamn, boys, you guys, like, you did let me know that you wanted that part two. Alright, so here we go. I'll try and drop these videos sooner, guys. Like, I'll try and drop them faster these days, but like, yeah, that was always the intention, but yeah, sometimes shit happens in life, you know, you get kind of busy, but we'll try and like put them out faster. Like sometimes we'll do like one a day, multiple a day. Just try and like get this done real quick. I was actually thinking about making a trading bot and like doing one, but I want to like gauge the reaction from this one, see how you guys liked it, and you guys seem to like it. So part two, right? So in this one, we'll just be kind of picking up where we left off again, guys. This one is gonna be a little bit more technical, so if you do want to work with my agency, I will leave my email down below. We can get something like this done for you. Yeah, but without further ado, let's get straight into it. So last time we left off, we were doing the front end, and we kind of got into this place where we like done the front end and we had it like all up and running. Actually, let me just go ahead and open that here. We kind of did the front end. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry, like this this is another reason why I was thinking about this too. Like it's like I'm sorry, like this series is probably gonna get like a lot more technical from this point on. I'll try to keep it as simple as I can, but it is just the nature of these things that they kind of get a little bit technical and complicated. And if you don't know what you're doing, really, you should just like hire my agency. Again, links down below. But like, no, seriously, like something small being different, like you know, your node version being different is enough to cause you serious problems. So it gets technical, guys, but I will do my best to explain and answer any questions. I've been answering questions. I'll answer more questions down in the comments, and again, just let me know. But next, I know I'm like barely finished with this series, but like the next series I was thinking about was like maybe we should make a trading bot. You know, maybe we should make like a Binance Smart Chain like trading bot or something. Like, what kind of trading bot would you guys like want to see? Um, Leave comments down below. Let me know. Or just reach out to me, email. Let me know what you're thinking. But yeah, last time we were here, we kind of gotten this going. Something I left out last time, guys, was this part here. Um, Trade. So if you notice, if you go, if while it's running on your PC, there's something else I'll show you. I'm actually a little bit ahead, but my goal is to kind of like get you guys to where I am kind of in like real time, sort of kind of. But like I want to make it as you know as like natural as possible how I do it or and how I do it, so that like any issues that come up, I'm not really skating over this because I can do that sometimes. But like yeah, if you where we left off last time, we were here, we kind of like just got net clone and everything from the GitHub. And but if you notice, when you go to exchange, it like brings you to back to like the pancakeswap URL. um so for that, we're actually going to want to clone this other piece of the repo, swap interface. So let me just carry to the GitHub and show you. Swap interface v1. Now pancakeswap has migrated to a different swap interface v2. I don't see it hosted here on the GitHub, so but that's okay. We just need swap interface v1 because it has everything that we need. We're kind of just like trying to get some front end going here. So last time we kind of did like download code, download zip, which you can go ahead and do, and you will have that here, and it will be the same drill as last time. You go and you do if you know what we want, if you know what we want this. Go ahead, you do. By the way, to get this menu like as fast, you just hold on shift and right click, and you should see open up PowerShell or something like that. And you type npm run start again, and it gives you well, you have to do npm install first. You do npm install, it installs like everything that you need. I already did that. um Actually, this might cook us here, but probably shouldn't have done that. Like, yeah, another thing to notice, guys, I realized some of you guys are getting like errors. A couple of those errors are actually because, like, you need to remember, like, the pancake swap team, they're like a live team, so they're like working on the code in like sometimes in like real time when you're working on it. So I know sometimes you guys go there and you get like build errors when you try to do things like npm install and like um and that's just because they're like working on the code and they may have changed some stuff and whatever. I'm gonna try and like cover a couple of those here. But yeah, this should be what it looks like when you npm install for the the interface. All right, then you do npm start, and it should go like we wanted. By the way, guys, like while this is taking forever, um show you but like first thing is first, like we will be like cloning pancake swap, but I don't like condone you guys like using any of the pancake swap, like their logos, their assets, their images. Like, no, like use your own stuff. Change, we're gonna change all that stuff and I'm gonna show you how to change it. But yeah, don't be a dumbass. Like use your own like branding and logos and everything. Be original. um Original beat. But yeah, in the meantime, shout out the pancake swap team, guys. If you show them some love, go buy some cake, all that good stuff. But also here they are hiring, so if you are a developer as well and you want to get hired to work on the official pancake swap team, why you're not just working on your own or something, yeah, go on their website, click the docs, click become a chef, and you'll see their job postings here. You see they're hiring like 250K a year or whatever, for a solidity engineer, front-end engineer 160 a year. So yeah, hit them up if you're a dev. Shout out the pancake swap team for letting us use your some of your code. um but yeah, I'll probably leave when I'm like doing this as well, I probably leave a repo link down below that you guys can go and get the code that I'm running, which will be just like a branch of like a fork from like the pancake swap code, but like a fork with uh like with maybe like a few fixes. Actually, let me get that straight. I don't want like commit myself with anything. It will be a exact fork of like the pancakes or thing, but uh from a version that like runs, builds easily, so you can follow along in the tutorial. And then I'll probably do again update it as well with like something with different logos, just so I don't get like idiots just like launching their own sites like using these those guys' branding and everything. But yeah, check that link down below. If not there, soon be updated. But the whole point of this one here is to kind of get you up to speed, kind of like get you and your front end kind of hosted, maybe a little bit connected. But I'll be trying to do these in like smaller modules, so you guys have no problem like following along, and it's like super organized. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see. We'll try and do our best. Like I said, guys, it's technical. It's just technical. If you're not technical or engineer, it's probably going to be kind of difficult. All right, and we see here we got so when we did when we launched our own, we got like the home, we got like the lottery, we got all the good stuff. But when we tried to do trade, they like brought us to their domain, which we don't want. All right, so yeah, so now we've got like our own version of like the swap right here. If you click go to v2, will also bring you again to their exchange. Again, I don't think they have this part of the front end load, but that's all right. We just need something to work off of, and we'll change this message later on in the guide. So right for now, you can just click I understand, go to v2 and v1, and we'll have this front end to work from. By the way, we will be like doing all the contract stuff as well later on in the series, and we will be like using v2r later, so it doesn't matter, we're just like getting a front end to go off here. The whole idea with this, guys, is that you're kind of making your own custom thing, so making changes like that shouldn't be a problem. Again, like if you want anything like that done, my email down below, usually respond super fast. We'll get something done for you, but don't email me if you have no money. Like, I like, shit costs money, okay? Like, be prepared to like spend money and like do a deal if you like contact me. So but yeah, all right, so now we've got like the swap interface, and this like all works. Something cool you can see, you can connect your wallet to it, and it shows, and you can see all the coins and stuff like that. I think it even works with like don't expect everything here to be working right away. Like I said, we did just like the fat copy. Oh no, go away. You see all these like things here, we'll have to get rid of those. Alright, let's do BNB. Seriously, so it's no longer supported. Alright, so we'll have to get rid of this message too, but like I said, we kind of only want like this interface here to give us something to go off of, and then we can make our own changes later, as well as getting rid of that annoying message. So but yeah, now we have this swap section running, right? So now we should have this part and this part running, okay guys? And if I'll address this too, because I've seen a lot of questions about this. If you get any issues running this first part that we covered, that's probably because the team on pancakeswap made some changes, and you have like the latest version of the code, which might not be building perfectly well or had some changes to it. So again, that's why I'm gonna leave like GitHub links down below. You can get there'll just be like exact forks pretty much, and if I had make like any like small changes or whatever, then I like they'll be recorded here. But so yeah, now we have these two guys, right? And we are gonna need to kind of like put them together, all right? Because notice again, when you like go here, carries you to come on bro, like I think my internet is fucking up, guys, so you know this is recorded live. And you know we don't do no edit, so we can't be having this shit. Come on bro. uh am I the only one whose internet sucks? All right, I'm going to kind of like do a hard reset of this Wi-Fi and see if that covers it, because we ain't about that edit life, and we ain't about that edit life, and we need to kind of show you guys how you like get this hosted. So we will be covering that piece as well. So you will need a domain name, but some of you guys like also asked me about hosting, so I'm gonna like show that part as well as maybe a little bit of a recap to where we are. But I'm trying not to like let this video get too long. Come the fuck on bro, like why no bro? Like you have literally like hours and hours while I'm like procrastinating and watching anime to go away. You choose to like go away now while I'm doing this shit. Fuck off. I swear bro, like if I could send like, I'm not gonna say that, but come on, I don't have time for this. Let's see. Technical issues. All the things that go wrong when you're like doing some shit, right? I need to like quickly fuck bro. It's mad annoying. Okay. All right. Let's see if this works on the phone. It does work on the phone. Then what the fuck? What the fuck? All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna like use, I don't know what the fuck is like going on with this, but boys, you know we ain't about no edits. So I'm like gonna use maybe my data or something and share. Don't give a fuck. Yeah, but yeah, talk about real life, right? Like live action. But this is the shit that you'll have to go through when you're probably like doing your own stuff. So, I mean, again, hire my agency. Get somebody else to put up with this shit. Email down below. All right, but yeah, we are back. Yeah, where were we? Yeah, we had like gotten these two pieces, and I was saying like, yeah, if you do get like, oh, I said that already. All right, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, guys, so now what we want to do is we have this like running on our like local PC. So that's great, but only we can access it, only we, and like only us and people. um Actually, should I like split this up? um Thinking if I should like split this. Nah, fuck no, we can do a few more minutes. Yeah, but now we have this like running on our local PC, but that's not like ideal, right? We're gonna need other people to be able to access it, right? So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to like upload these files. So what's like a host? This isn't like a full domain or like what is a host, but just know it's like a computer in the cloud, and like you put the files there and so people can access them. You're also going to need a domain name, which is something you can buy. So you will need like money. Like if you have no money whatsoever, you shouldn't be doing this. Just saying. Nor contacting me, but kidding. Like yeah, like contact me and like let me know what stuff you want to see. But yeah, this should cost money. But yeah, if you when you want a domain name, I recommend Namecheap. I probably leave a link down below. Something you just go here, you type your exchange name.com, right, and you'll be able to like purchase a domain name. It will cost you something like $10 a year or something like that. You have to renew it for a year. So $10 a year, not that much, but you're gonna want a domain name just so you can you have a way for people to access your site with like a name. Not necessarily right now. I'm gonna show you how to access it without, but just for like later recognition later working. So yeah, domain name. So again, hosting. How are we gonna host this? Hosting, another thing that costs money and it's kind of technical, but I'm gonna like do my best to like make this quick and painless. So we're gonna host it like AWS, Amazon Web Services. So what you wanna do is you wanna go to aws.amazon.com. You wanna either create an account. In this case, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in. Shit, I bet this idiot thing is like gonna. Alright, hold on. N6E645. Yeah, of course it doesn't. All right, let's see if we can do this without leaking our bank account details or phone number account. Okay. Um, Perfect. All right. So right here you're gonna wanna. I don't know if you're gonna like see this actually here, but so yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an EC2 instance for this. I already have one running. Just so you know, I kind of just like posted like this side up on like my typical domain that I have already for my business. I kind of like just plopped it there just to, like testing. But I'm gonna try and like walk you guys through it as well. Maybe a little bit complicated ish kind of, again, like contact down below. But yeah, all right, so EC2. All right, guys, this is not gonna be fun. But if you're here, I guess you care enough. So let's go. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and try and like do a new do it from scratch. So once you sign up, you're gonna go to create a new EC2 instance. um we're gonna want to go for, it's gonna give you options. You're gonna want to go for Ubuntu. You can like go for really any version, but let's just go with 18 for now. LTS, you want to go with anyone that says LTS. LTS stands for like lifetime support. um which one is more famous right now? I think, well, 16 is more famous, I think, but all right, let's, this one says free tier. Yep, this is why I told you to like do AWS, by the way. Like AWS has like a free tier, and so like if your site is not getting too much traffic, you can kind of get away with like hosting your stuff for free. So kind of free here, but if your site does get like a lot of activity, expect to pay money, as well as we'd be running a maybe a slightly different setup if we were doing this for like total production. But maybe I do like something slightly different, but you can do this in like production. I'm just saying, like, you can, this is a process where you kind of inherently have to know what you're doing, okay? But this will work. All right, so let's just do it. I'm gonna go to let's select 18. Yeah, let's just go with 18. I think it's asking us to, so what is it asking us for? Actually, just go with like all the free, like all the, just go with like all the default options. Like, I don't know, fuck the default options. Wait. I wait. Hmm. All right, so yeah, okay. Like when you get to this page, just goddamn, EC2 gonna ask you select Ubuntu 18 before go to review and launch. We're gonna want to change this to, maybe we want like 2 CPUs. Oh well, I think there's the only one with like free tier like eligible. So all right, it will work. It will work. I know, because like I have one running. All right, so just go select all the default options. Again, Ubuntu. Um, Review and launch. You're gonna want to edit these like you're gonna want to edit these like port ranges down here once it gets there, because areas you're not gonna be able to we're not gonna be able to run off like specific ports, which is a thing we're gonna want to be doing in a second. Guys, I hope you're like following along here. But yeah, we're gonna go like again, review. Just follow along in the video. Just like go back. We're gonna go to the add row. Um, just go to all TCP. Click all TCP. Um, we're gonna add two. We're gonna add like all. We're gonna add HTTP. We're gonna add HTTPS. So we're adding both. All right, and then we're gonna add we're adding HTTP, HTTPS, and like all TCP. All right, we're gonna click review and launch. For people for group ID or something he's talking about. What is the one? This source needs to be a CID or backer security group ID. Hmm. You know what? We remove things, we add slowly, okay? We see what hooks up. Copy paste this, I don't know what the fuck. But that's kind of just telling us that like uh you want to be a little bit tighter if you're like working do I want to edit this? Not really. I mean, enough. I think it's enough. I think that's what the. All right, so we get to play. We get to go over this again, okay? 18. Um, yeah, guys. Like when your site gets like more popular, I guess you can like create a new one with like better specs. Like you probably want like two CPUs. Fuck, what is this memory? I think this is the same one like the other one has too. I was just like I was creating like that shit so fast. Like I end up biting me, but like it works. Like I said, um, and so our settings are saved. Review on launch. Alright, I'll see. Blah 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 blah. Alright, launch. Um, for this, you're gonna want to like create new keep here. Let's call it like I don't know. Call it your site password. Call it like pancake clone password. I don't know. I'm awful with naming, guys. Just like whatever. You're wanna gonna download that, by the way. Like make sure you download that. We're gonna use that to like log in, so it's very important. Launch instance. Um, this is gonna take a second as well. I did launch it. So might take a little second here to boot. Just doing a quick check here and like our time, because I don't want this to be too long. But yeah, once it's like launched, you should be able to like see somewhere here. I guess that one is like not launched yet, so it might take a little second. It might take a little second for you to see it. See, it just came up now. We refresh. It might take a little second for you to see it. Actually, let me name this here so I don't like this up. Demo clone. Right. You can leave your like unnamed. It really doesn't matter. But once that's like done and like launch, you're gonna want to be able to like connect to this, right? Because remember what we're doing, we're like uploading those files from our PC to this like computer on the cloud, right? So we're gonna need a way to do that. So we're gonna have to download this tool as well, guys. It's called WinSCP. uh winscp.net is that the site? Yes, I think it is. When I want to download, this is like a file manager that allows us to to like upload our files to our server. I already have this. I'm just like going through it again to like for your guys' convenience. But like once it's done and like all set up, you should be presented with a program like this. This is what it looks like. You click it. Okay. All right. I have like a ton of sites here, but like what you're gonna want to go ahead and click new site. For in host name, you are going to want to do for host name. All right. So let me try and go slower. Like you're gonna want to click on your instance, right? The one that we just created. You're gonna click connect. You're gonna want to copy this thing here. All right. You're gonna want to paste it here in host name. Also, all right. Let's skip over that part for a second. I was gonna say like once you set up your domain name, you'll be able to like put your domain name here. So if your the name of your site is like shrimp swap or something like that, you'll be able to put shrimp swap. But like for now, it doesn't matter. We can put this and that. That's fine. For like username and password, we're gonna want to go to advanced. Is it advanced? I heard. Um, we're gonna go to advanced. We're gonna click edit raw setting. Wrong. Right. Dude, forgive me if I like. Alright, people sometimes like I swear to God like we can click yes, but it's gonna like fail. I just like that was an accident. Um, you're gonna want a new site host name. We're gonna need that file that we you're gonna need that file that we right. So forgive me, dude. Sometimes my brain just like it just goes away. Anyways, you're gonna want to click you're gonna add that name from here that we got in host name. You're gonna click advanced. We're gonna go to the SSH tab, SSH authentication, and we're gonna like need to give it that file that we download, this file here, when we were making the instance, the thing. Let me just please no porn. I'm just Dude, I run so many porn jokes. You think I was dead ass, but like this file here, I'm gonna probably show how to get it again from somewhere. I don't remember where is it. I don't know. This is why you should follow along, just like. But I'll probably show it again. But you know, if you should have it downloaded, okay? That's important. Alright, so don't fuck that up. Um, you're gonna wanna go ahead and like go find. You're gonna go here, like you're gonna wanna find that file. And this thing is bugging out. Alright. All files, so you can provide that here. You're gonna click. Yeah, this thing is hooking up. I'm gonna click OK. It's gonna like ask you to convert or like whatever saves it. It like you just click yes. Like you select the file, it asks you to convert. You click OK. It's like whatever. You click OK. You're gonna want to click like do we need for username? Let's just do a root. But I don't think you need to do this. But like we're gonna click save because we're gonna need this as well. So you just name it whatever the name of your site is, like 1K clone. You don't have to rename this. I could have just left it what it was. Okay, okay. Blah blah blah. Root, save, login. All right, it's gonna use our key and like I don't know why. All right, so this is gonna get like kind of complicated now. But like I said, guys, I'm like dying because I'm like, dude, some of the questions I get, I'm like, yo, you really ought to just like pay somebody to do this. I swear, like even for somebody that's been doing this shit for like every shit, so like can be like mad annoying. Like, and I've done this like a million times. All right, so anyways, we'll get back to this. We have to like edit some shit. All right, let me see here. Actually, we're gonna have to like edit some stuff over on like AWS side. Wait, what the fuck? All right. All right, all right. Mm, go back here. Whatever, man. Okay, I'm gonna assume that works for you guys too. Let me just like go here again and show you that. Mm, actually, I think it's this one. All right, so wait, let me try without name and see if that works. Hmm. Okay. So what you wanna do? Go here, edit. When it asks you the username, guys, just put Ubuntu. 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 Um, save. Then you should be able to like log in just fine with that public key. And yeah, doesn't matter. Also, I think you should be able to do this here, like when you go to connect, um, should be able to do this here, connect, and like you'll get. Alright, this should work, but like I guess AWS is fucking off a little bit right now. Back to this shit. Alright, so yeah, once you like have the key, have it downloaded, that file that we downloaded, you go onto AWS, you set up the instance, you have it downloaded, you downloaded this program here, and you're able to log in using this program that we set up with the username Ubuntu, the host name, and the key file that I showed you just now set up. You can click login. It should log you in, and from here we should be presented with like a ton of folders on like the right side. Yours might look slightly different, but it should be the same. Like on the left side you should see your files and your computer. On the left side is your files and your computer. So, and on the right side should be the server. So this is the computer on the cloud that we have. Okay, what you're gonna want to do is you want to go to home Ubuntu, which I think is where it puts you by default. But if you can't find that, just click the double arrow, the double dots until it brings you here. Go to Ubuntu, and we're gonna want to start transferring some of these files now. These files like this, depending on your internet connection, this could take forever. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, oh, can I do that? I was gonna like opt for you can transfer the zip. I'm trying to like save you guys time and shit, but like um it might not like work out. But anyways, once you have the file downloaded, what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to transfer like all these files. If you already have, if you did like the npm install, let me slow down for a second. I remember we're not going to transfer like all of them. Okay, we're just going to be transferring this one here, which you might not have yet if you haven't run the command that I'm about to show you. All right, but stick a pin on that for a second. We're going to create some folders here. You can create some folders here by just like right clicking. All right, we're just going to want to right click and create like the different names, right? So we can go front end, and then we can do front end exchange. All right, and we're gonna like put these files here. I'm gonna put like the build file here, okay, for both. All right, so back on my computer here, where we were running these things here, you might not have the build folder, okay, or if you have it, it like might not be set up properly. So man, I'm like tired, like talking is like a lot of your goddamn um computer. This computer, like if I like unplug something, I'd be a rap bro, like that'd be the day. um mm. We check to make sure, dude, 40 fucking minutes, oh my god bro. If you're still here, shout out to you. But yeah, that's like we set up our server and everything. Now we're gonna like need to transfer some, we're gonna need to set up or okay, this is gonna get painful for you guys, but all right, once we have that, we're also gonna need another tool to be able to like run commands or on our computer. We can use this tool that's called like putty, and it's basically like a window here, like a command prompt thing here that we'll be able to use to like talk to over like instance. So I typically use like I have this thing here, Ubuntu and like Windows, and that works, but for the sake of like this video here, I'll show you guys um how to set it up with this thing, if I remember, which I probably don't, but I mean, like we said, we hate editing. I'll probably try and do you guys a solid and like leave the timestamps. But like once this is done setting up, guys, we will we'll be able to like connect to our host, and we'll be able to like upload or front end files, right? And then from there we'll be able to like make our edits and like connect them and stuff like that, and people will be able to like access. So I probably like do the next part in there, but like once it's done, you should have this thing called like putty, okay. All right, let me not cheat. I was gonna cheat right there, but like all right, so once that's done, okay, once that's done, you're gonna open this thing up and you're gonna click on this. That's it. You should have this one that says like defaults, and you're gonna want to click load. um if it didn't do anything, don't be upset. For this here, you're gonna want to put your host name again, which again is like this thing here. um right, this is so different than the last time I came here. Anyways, all right, so which is this thing here. um Host name, you're gonna want to put it host name, or you can also put the IP address, but this is a little bit more secure. Then you want to go to SSH. Like, where do you put key this thing? I have no idea. I don't remember at all where the fuck you like put the key in this thing. All right, well, we're gonna click connect. This should service, it should give you like something. You just click accept. To Ubuntu. Separate article, yeah, it needs the key. That should fail. I'm so used to doing this from like my other thingy. You're gonna wanna put like like something like 30 here. I had this like all set up before, I just deleted it, so I like go from scratch with you guys. um you're gonna click enable on this, put this to like 30. um and then you just hmm, trying to like where the fuck do you hold on, hold on. Yeah, I'm so like used to doing this from um the thing by now. I just like really forgot. Actually, let's just do what we do normally. Just Google SSH file, put you. The fuck? Of course. Um. Well, yeah. All right. So, backing up a bit, guys. All right. So, once we open Putty, all right, you're gonna wanna click. Um, you're gonna wanna put your host name here. So this is that thing here that we copy from Amazon. Um, did we close Amazon? No, we didn't. Okay. Great, 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 great. All right. So host name here from Amazon. You're gonna go to SSH off, browse. You're gonna go to downloads or wherever your file is stored. Remember that thing it made with the new file. You should see like your pim file as well, which it should ask you to like convert again. But if you already have it, just use this one. The one that it created for you when you try to do it with the other tool. You're gonna go to say that should be everything. Then you will actually, we want to save this so we don't have to like type this all the fucking time. It can be like mad annoying. So we also want to go to connection, set 30, enable keep alive, the keyboard. I also want to change this to X to R6 session. And we want to click see, call this you want to put a name here like clone or something, and click save, like, and that should like save all your settings. But like once you have that done here, you can go ahead and click open, and it should like do this thing for you again. Ubuntu as like the username, and we should be like logged in. All right, so if that looked like one hell of a bitch that I just get logged into a fucking server to you, welcome to the life of a developer. Again, email down below. um but yeah, like once we're in now, guys, we can like start to go through this, right? So what we really want to achieve was to be able to host these front ends here, unlike our or like servers so that other people can connect from like all over the internet, right? So because like other people can just type like localhost like whatever and they'll get like your thing with like all your changes. What we'll be doing now is we'll be setting up this server so that other people can like connect to it. To be honest, that's kind of like what we were doing here before as well, a little bit in the config. So I'm definitely gonna like timestamp these. But like you guys don't have to suffer like I did. Goddamn, get some water. Get like a water commercial. Hit me up down below if you have like a power drink and you like want me to promote it for you. Goddamn. Watery, it tastes delicious. But yeah, yeah. So what? Because again, like with host name, right? Like what we can do with this thing here is this thing is like a URL. So like if we go anywhere and try to type it, we go send. Like it won't work. It won't connect, right? That's because like we haven't set it up right. All right. So but don't worry, we will get it set up with a few simple commands and then like transfer into yeah, what we want to go ahead and do here once we like get connected here, we want to go ahead and do we want to check and see if npm is already there. So I'll go ahead and do npm v, no npm. So we'll have to do sudo apt get install npm. I need to hold my cup. Sudo apt get install, sudo apt get update. Do that first. But then we'll do like, let me do that again because I don't want to like lose any of you guys. So then we'll do what we did is sudo apt get install like update that did some stuff, and then we did sudo apt get install npm, and then I click enter. If you want to know how I like get back those commands so fast, I'm just clicking like the up arrow, right? So any command I type, I can like see a history of it from like the up arrow. So yeah, you don't have to like type it all the time, but install, it will say ask you, you click yes, it will do its thing and it will let you know when it's done. Guys, don't forget like I'll probably just be covering like some cool type of like things in like the crypto scene as well with this channel. Other thing is so let's check crypto price kind fucking rip crypto, not as bad as like yesterday, it was still down. Rip people. um waiting. That's why I should have gotten like a dual core like CPU, but sheesh, we poor. Um, all right, once that's done, by the way, you can click Control L to like clear it away. Yeah, once that's done, we'll just check to see if npm is there. So if you do npm-v, it should show you back some numbers. That's how you know it's good. You do node-v, it like should show you back some numbers, so you know that's good. I don't think these are like the latest versions, but they should do for our purposes for now. What's the name of that package? So what we want to do hd node node HTTP server, right? This is the one that I have. I don't even remember honestly. Yeah, 2 million weekly downloads, right? So yeah, once that's done, what you want to do here, you want to go ahead and type npm install dash dash global dash global space http server, right? So and you can like copy paste it, like obviously, and so this should install some things. Oh, we forgot sudo. If you need to put sudo ahead of that. So I can type sudo, then I can click paste again. It should be all good. Why do I feel like this is not the version that I have? Another thing you wanna gonna be, guy, once that's done and that's all done, you wanna go type by by byobu. Okay, that's just, this is just like a more, it's the same terminal but kind of a little bit more like advanced. Like we can have, if you were wondering, you'll see. Okay, you can type ls to see our folders, right? So it's showing us our folders here. So if we go to front end, you will see it's empty. Cd front end ls empty. We go back. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to like, we're gonna be developing or like site on our local machine, and then running it on our server. Like we're gonna transferring them to our server so they can be served, and like and that's kind of how we'll be doing it. We'll be developing on local, uploading to the server. That's why we download this tool. So right now we're gonna want to go ahead and transfer over the this part of the front end here, this thing that we got in the first part of the tutorial. Okay, now you should have like a build folder, but if you don't, for that what you want to do is you want to go here again, okay, make a quick over. It's so much for being quick, bro. God damn. You want to go back here, right, again, and open shell, and you want to do npm run build. Okay, and what this should do is, this is like creating this is like compiling all their files so we can like have something to transfer and like host. Okay, this should take a second here. Again, reminder guys, if you want something like this built for you, something custom, you know, or you know, just actually like any web project in general, I will leave my email down below. You can like reach out to me and my agency, work with me, and we like get you on your way if you don't want to put up with all this shit, which I highly recommend. Oh shit, I totally forgot this thing was like using my phone as a connection. Let's see if the Wi-Fi stops shitting itself out actually. Um, we plugged out, we disconnected there for a second. Don't fret though. Everything that was like happening on the server end should still be happening. Yes, no, maybe so. Wi-Fi, let's go. Alright, looks like I can still like be actually there. Dude, I like in my naivety, I like, because I'm used to like having fast servers and everything. I like transferred like all the files like to the server. I was just like was fucking around, like trying to like build it and like everything. Oh my god, the server fucking crashed. I like totally forgot it was just like Amazon's like free tier um shit with like, and to be honest, like the build for this thing is like pretty like out of control. Honestly, I do not recommend, but those guys must know what the fuck they're doing. But once this is all done, this should like create you should have the folder now that says build um build on your PC in like that file, and we're gonna want to go ahead and like do this for both. um this should fail the first time. I'm gonna try and like go over that. Do I want to? Alright, we'll see what we can do. But this video is like hella long, so I'm like, goddamn. But yeah, once that's done, we're gonna want to transfer this folder that says build to the server again, guys. We're gonna want to change all these assets. I'm gonna show that as well, like in the pieces coming up, as well as you can change some of them from here if you're not if you can't wait. But I mean, they'll be coming up pretty fast. So transfer this folder here. We're not doing like all of them just because we can't bother waiting. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I was about to touch my phone again. Let them. Had a message from the boy Kidian. Shout out Kidian if you're watching this. Dude, I swear, like, see, dude, let's go on Twitter, boy. Like, while we're waiting, like, we might as well like have some laughs, bro. Like, I swear, bro, I like went on Twitter just now, like, saw some seal, like, Sailor, just like, Sailor is like my like the funniest, like, dude, I swear, Sailor, like Trump and then Sailor, bro. Like, in like that, it's not good here, but just like in terms of like hella funny, bro. Like, dude, what was that video with like Sailor of like there is no second, like um um dude, let's fucking find it. Michael Sailor, um there is no second, this dude. Dude, Sailor is such a shill, bro. Like, I fucking love it, bro. Shout out Sailor, bro, for being just like we need like all the laughs, bro. Like, legit, dude. Where the fuck, bro? Like, where is it? Dude, I swear somebody like sent me like the funniest, like, I think it was Jason. Jason has this. Jason's a little bit like controversial. I don't like having like controversial shit on my Twitter. Okay, Twitter. Okay, even Twitter decided to not work. Trying to find this shit, bro. Like, shit was mad for this guy like posts like way too much shit though. But there is no second best, bro. Like, capital, bro, capital. Uh oh fuck. I mean, this guy. Did we finish transferring? Like, we have to like not get too distracted. Alright, it's done transferring, okay, but we have to find this. Um dude, here it is, bro. Like, everything I'm like, yeah. I'm just gonna like, I may like drop this like link down below, but it's just to like the fun to bring, like, let's check this shit out. Here's the second best. Man, just like sell your house, bro. Sell your moms, bro. Like, bro, we go get. Uh, do you see? Do you know like in? Do you know like in like tweets and shit where like usual people be like super cautious, like it's like this is not financial advice. Here is like the fucking opposite, bro. Like man just not give a fuck. Like he's like, dude, best shit in the world, bro. Best shit in the world, bro. Yo, dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? Man, this like does not give a fuck. Alright. Enough fucking her, enough fucking her. Yeah, I think our thing finished uploading. Alright, so once it's done uploading, guys, like what we want to do here is we want to go in that folder. Oh shit, our thing disconnected because we unplugged their internet like shitheads. Um, just open it back. If you have it saved here, it should be no problem. You just click load, open, um, Ubuntu, username. You can create like a new. I'll show you how to like create another user like coming up or something. But like ls front end, you wanna go in like the front end folder and you wanna go actually like dude, I swear it's like all the normal commands that I just like forget like legit. Um, you gotta type https server and node. Is it node? No, what am I doing? No, I fucked up. HTTP server, right? And then once that's done, like once you do like HTTP server, it's gonna start serving these files from like this cloud computer. So now anybody can like go to our host name, which we have um here, right? Which will change later to our own domain name. Doing real like we don't close that and we can go to the port that it says. It should tell you the port in when you try to here. So right now it's port 8080 while we give access to all those ports right here. uh Fuck, wait, no, this is not what we want. What the fuck? No, I'm fucking up. I'm fucking up. Wait, so it's HTTP server build. Yes, it should work when you just, what the fuck, what am I doing? Right, okay, all right, pug. All right, no, when we like go to the again, we type the port and everything, and like we type our host name which we got from Amazon, and then 8080, it should come up now, and anybody can access this, right? So now the next thing that we'll be wanting to do is like change this name and like make it serve by default without needing this like weird 8080 thing. Because if you see here, we go here, um it needs it. Luckily all those are like easy to do, we'll cover them in the next one, but for now we just like want to have them up and a running. This was super important, um and we're gonna need it to like connect to this piece, right, the exchange piece, because right now it like goes here, right? So we're gonna need it, we're gonna be needing to connect them as well. So let's just go back here and like host this part as well, so you can see kind of the idea here. You press Control C to stop this thing, and then for me it's like F, Control F, F2, no, Control S. Did I swear? Control F1, Control F2, F10. Okay. Oh, damn, bro. Why you gotta do us like that, dude? God damn, completely forgot. Yeah. So you guys should be in here already. There was like no need for you guys not to be here. But if your internet did disconnect like mine, you're gonna need to type that bio book command again, and that's like how we get it up. And then you can type the exact same commands we did to get this thing hosted. So we stopped that, so this no longer works. All right, doesn't work anymore. All we have to do is ls http server build / or you can actually type push this tab and this will like autocomplete, but enter and it serves again. Okay, then and this is like why we came here. We're gonna need to like do this again. So you press F2 and this like gives you another window here, and we can like go back and forth. So I press F2 and it like gave me a new window for you, and to like go back and forth I like I click 3. Yep, I use F3 and F4 to go like back and forth, and F2 to create a new window. So right here we're gonna like run our command here, and then we're gonna go to this new window, and we're gonna do the same thing for the swap swap section, right? So content exchange, let's let's guys this long, but we're gonna have to build this again. I already have this built um and for this I already have this built. You guys were getting I think some errors from like running this, so I like again I like leave my I'll leave a link to like the exact version of like the repo down below, so you can get it, and then I'll show download link or whatever. But yeah, again, same thing. We run the npm build command. It should work if you are using that. You transfer um and we wait again, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. And we go back to memes. Okay. So in this one, dude, I'm definitely gonna try like get these videos to be shorter in like the next one, guys. So again, like feedback always welcome and stuff, but pretty much I'm just gonna try. I'm trying to like get you guys up to speed, and like from there just like bring you along with me. So it can be in bite-sized pieces. But dude, do you know like what else was funny, bro? Like um uh, like that like that guy at like the fucking the Bitcoin conference, like it was like fuck Elon, bro. That was mad funny. Fuck Elon Bitcoin Summit. Uh, Classic, bro. Um, dude, it was Moscow tweet. Let's dude, I'm like leaving the links to like all these like shit down below as well. Like you may not see it right away, but I mean I'm leaving it. This is like the most important part pieces of these videos, like high key. Goddamn, bro, Elon posts too much shit. Host posts too much shit. Uh, All right, we don't have time for this. Yeah, once it's done uploading, same drill, guys. Uh, we go HTTP server build, and it should like run on the next port from that. So this one is 8080. This one should be 8181, 8181. Is it or 8081, 8081? All right. Click OK. I know we have like these two connected, so like anybody can like type this address here. We're gonna have to change some of these things still so that we they all go to each other. But right now, next thing we want to do is we want to like connect these two. So somebody that clicks from here to here sees our site, and like we get our domain name in there. But I'm gonna like leave it here and like pick up in the next one, guys. This was like part 2 of the vid. Sorry if this shit was long, but it's like hella technical. I tried to warn you. um but yeah, again, if you want something like this done for you, I will leave my contact email down below. You reach out to me and we can like get something cooked for you. But yeah, see you in the next one.